Are you searching for the perfect home for your growing family? Well, I'm super excited to show you a brand new listing in Niverville, Manitoba. Welcome to Wyndham Court, where you're surrounded by amazing homes with large lots and a lot of families that celebrate all the events like no other street in Niverville. So let's go inside and let's check out this brand new listing. This amazing home features a great floor plan. You've got this open concept with your living room up at the front with your electric fireplace feature wall into your dining and kitchen area with tons of cabinetry, corner pantry, and a two-piece bath. You've got your deck off of the kitchen, you got your front covered deck in the front, you've got 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, laundry on the second floor, and the best part, it's got a fully finished basement with another bedroom, huge rec room. There's so much to like about this house. This is one that you have to see in person.